Hey, hi, hi, hi.
Hello guys.
What's the time right now?
Time is 5:24.
5:24. So
Okay. We
we've
came
we've
10 or 14 minutes before only. 10 minutes before I came.
I was sitting here since before 5 actually.
So guys, I want to let you see something
What was it?
that this timing for sunrise is 6:47.
Yeah.
More than 1 hour left, and
But we need to reach, right?
we will reach. We will reach as soon as possible. So our classmates are coming. So now you have seen this. Let you see.
Yeah,
This is the timing. This will edit and it will show 6.647. Okay.
yeah.
So guys, we are going. Let's see.
We're waiting for Daya actually.
Not there only our whole people.
Yeah.
These both came.
Hey, they came.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Spotted. Two people spotted. So I guess we are the only people who are early, yaar. Why Tirupati? We're the only people on time, yaar.
Yeah.
What is this? And
Yeah.
I am supposed to be the most irresponsible person, yeah, who should be not on time. And look, I am here, the first person to be here.
First time I have seen Mika waking up at 5 o'clock.
I've not even woken up for my exams, yeah. What is this? So actually, about why we decided to go today, or why at least I decided to go today, is because for the past like 2 days, we were planning for a trip to Wayanad, and it did not materialize. And I'm pretty sad about it. So when Daya came yesterday, and actually today at 1 o'clock or something, we were just sitting and talking, and he was like, guys, we are going. Would you guys like to come? And I was like, yes. For the past 2 days, I've been waking like at 5, hoping that we would go, but one or the other things just happened, and it just didn't materialize. So I'm happy to see at least the sunrise, I guess. That's the best part about today. Hi, Ronnie. How are you?
I am Faith. Thank you.
See, the whole gang is here. This is after very long time that I'm going with this team. By the way, Ronnie, do you know that this exact journey was planned when we were in first semester?
Okay.
And I and I nicely skipped it.
Okay.
And today the only reason I'm here is because I didn't sleep. Because I know if I sleep, I won't wake up. The time I'll open my eyes will be 1 o'clock.
Okay.
So let's explore.
Suprabhatam, guys.
We're on the auto, guys.
भाई अभी हम लोग ऑटो के अंदर है.
3 of us.
3 of us.
Think about it.
हम लोग जीप अगली बार आपको दिखाएंगे. इस बार ऑटो देख के सेटिस्फाई हुई है.
Yeah. No, it's okay. I mean, for the price, it's okay.
नहीं, प्राइस हम देखते नहीं. हमारे साथ कुवैत के राजा बैठे
Ah,
जिनके कुएं खुदते तेल के कुएं खुदते.
कुछ भी बोलते हैं यार तू. And think about Ivano, yaar. Ivano is walking from there, from Katang, from hostel actually.
इवेनो का सैल्यूट टू इवेनो.
Yeah.
सैल्यूट टू 3 of us.
Yeah.
We are sitting in the auto. Salute to us.
We are also taking efforts.
Yeah.
We are
We
taking
are not working means what? We are doing some efforts, okay? From morning we are doing our efforts.
Yes. Alright, so
Okay guys,
we'll see
I
you there.
don't let you watch this rubbish. Afterwards you will see
Yeah.
the good scenes.
Great, perfect. Guys, the auto we went in, the petrol is not there. There's no petrol, and we are stranded. It's great. So guys, we started trekking, and we are almost there.
Almost here?
No,
What is that?
we're not even close. Where is Ronnie? Hey. Whoa. Guys, we took almost a 90-degree stroll. Also, by the way, an insect got into my mouth. God knows what it was. Roni is there, you can see the light. Roni, come. Some random. Oh, bhai. Yaar, you guys are leaving me alone. Guys. Superb, right?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
How do you feel? See the trekking spot.
Seriously, yaar.
The rest of the video will be added in the.
Yeah, once we reach in the
Yeah,
top.
I did it.
Yes, that is if I reach. So guys, I don't think you can tell how hey, you can put the torch on me, how dead I am right now, but I think you can see Ronnie for that matter. But guys, the view is beautiful. Wow, I can't imagine what it'll be from the top. I guess it'll all be worth it once we reach on the top. We're somewhere on the top, but yeah. Hello, Ronnie.
Not the location.
Let's go.
Not the point we need to reach.
Let's go. Guys, we have also finally reached. How was it?
Reached.
Yes.
Point.
Yes. We have also almost reached. Yeah, we're here. We're actually here. You can see the guys. Which way is this way, right? Oh God. Yeah. See, the guys are here.
Then 5, 6 people will Now, after sitting, you telling me
Guys, we also reached.
yeah, guys.
But it's not up to that expected.
I know. It's okay, it's okay.
Wait for some time.
Yeah, we need to wait. We need to.
I was talking about the.
Hey, don't say that. We came all the way for sun.
I'll keep it footprint on your back. Put hands down.
There are other guys also here. I don't know who they are, but they're also here to enjoy the sunset. Here is professional Dea, photographer. Please call him for your weddings.
Teklu wala photographer.
Yes.
Teklu wala.
Ting, 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 ting.
You look like actual photographer.
है ना?
Wedding photographer.
That's what.
This thing also here. This.
Yeah, that's what.
Take out
Professional.
your lenses, guys.
I'm going to sit.
Guys, I guess, Ronnie, we just want to sit, right? Special photographer, Ivanu and Ronnie. And then, yeah. So guys, I didn't die. I'm here. I'm so happy. I don't know if you can see it. I'm so happy, yaar. Look what's happening over here. One person is posting, one person is taking, one person is, I don't know, singing. Another person is doing something else. Yeah. There.
Surya, Ramika.
Look at all the efforts people are putting in.
Please, guys, please put.
Hey, Mika, show this video. Mika won't put effort on studies, but he wants vlogs and all. Ask him like maths and all, statistics, operation. He will be. I don't know anything.
Guys, look at the photo session. Ronnie is doing great pics for us. See? He's also working on making us great pics. Guys, so hey everybody, guys, Come now, vlog is happening. We're ending the vlog, yaar. Please. Come.
Bye guys.
Hey, not like that. I want to say something before it. Okay, fine. So I thought of ending it while we reach down, but I don't know how much of that is practical. So we're ending with this beautiful view. So make sure you subscribe, like the channel, like the video. Sorry, subscribe to the channel. Hey, you should like the channel, yeah, to subscribe.
Little bit down.
Tirupati.
Down.
Do you know what that is?
A small dot.
What I'm zooming into right now.
My heart shape is not.
Do you know what that is?
See little bit. And only this part. See here.
Mama.
And you change
Hey, big effort.
Now?
down.
Guys, look at all the efforts people are taking to take a photo.
Right.
अभी तक भी आपने लाइक नहीं करा होगा तो लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो. मजाक की और बात है, मन से लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो.
Oh, nice. Front and back.
देखो गाइस पहुंच चुके हैं और पहुंच के यहाँ पे ये लोग हैं, ये भाई है, भाई के साथ आए हैं, ये अपना दूसरा भाई है, ये तीसरा भाई. हम लोग अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मजे आ रहे हैं, लाइफ के मजे आ रहे हैं. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया यार. Hey, come here, where you hiding?
देखो अभी भाई भी है. You wanna say something?
Hello guys, I'm happy.
On his head.
You wanna say something?
No, yeah.
One word for this trip. What we have planned.
Elegant, ephemeral.
Right, रुको.
Nice.
Hey, sing a song, sir.
Nice.
Hey, no?
You can, come on.
Yeah, you can.
Like करो, subscribe करो और उसको मार दो.
नहीं ये ट्रिप कैसा रहा?
Very physically engaging and calorie burning. Do try every day.
Please.
अब
I did that.
Very nice adventure. Nice climb.
you loved it?
Yeah. This is my first trekking.
ठीक. कैसा लगा तेरे को यहाँ पे? How you felt today?
I felt so good. Like, see, the thing is, first important is not about the place. The thing is, the important things where like persons are important. See, we are friends. Like we have the nice company here. Good,
You enjoyed?
really good.
Mika.
So guys, we're coming to the end of the video. I wanted to end it as we reach down, but I had the practicality of us reaching down was statistically short. So I'm ending it right over here. The guys are here, as you can see.
Guys are here only.
The guys are here. They're taking too much effort.
Yeah guys, I enjoyed it a lot except the climbing. I expected too much for the climbing, but it's not up to that expectation.
Exactly. Yeah, that's one thing.
I thought it would be some
Guys, I'm ending the vlog.
Yeah, bye.
So, bye.
Are you ending the vlog?
Say bye.
I'm closing it.
signing off.
Signing off. Bye.
Hey, nice, Ray.
What do you wanted to say?
So we are not ending here. It's just bluffing you guys. Just wait. We have still more
Part
to
two.
explore. Just
Okay.
wait for part 2. We'll come back.
Done.
Nice.
I don't know if you're able to see what I'm seeing, and I don't know if it's worth it, but I definitely would agree that it was just beautiful. Yeah, I guess that was right. It's got even beautiful view.
Bro, we will do like this.
You were already fair, Ray.
कहाँ पे है हम लोग?
So guys, we have ended our journey over here. We're ending the video right over here. So thank you guys for watching.
Come closer.
Come.
Give him. Hey. Focus his head. Focus his tattoo head.
So guys, we're ending the video. Thank you for watching.
No, there is a surprise more. Because he said like ending.
No more surprises. No more surprises.
That's the end. This is it.
This is the end. This is the end. Bye bye.
No, there is one.
What happened? What happened? Any surprise? More surprises. Guys, this is the surprise he was talking about. See, your surprise is done.
No.
So I want to tell you something.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about to close this vlog.
Yeah.
My final words are like about this today's vlog is
Okay.
we have one more surprise.
What is wrong with you? So guys, we have finally reached the end of the trek. You can see the road right over there, and this.
Never been happy to see the road, yeah.
Seriously, never been so happy to see the road. And
I want to tell final
no.
Hey, I want
No, not him. Not him. So this is the end, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Bonus content. We started playing football, and the man is taking some good pics. And Ramika is learning a trick. Come on, Ramika. Come on, Ronnie. Come on.
You should not touch, ma'am. You should not grab anyone.
Whoa. Yeah, that's the way. That's the way actually. Try. Keep it stationary.
Stationary.
Yeah, like.
I told you, na. There is a surprise. These guys, you know.
I should go anywhere.
Yeah, you can go anywhere. As long as you touch the board. You touch the board, she catches you, you are the one. Yep. You should only touch it. Oh. Come on, Ramika. Ramika, dance, go. Guys, I can't even think about being a monkey, yaar. Please don't make me be a monkey. Yeah, you have to go there. You have to move, yaar. Hey. Let him come now.
You have to go behind it.
Hey, no, Surya, run. Surya, picture. Ah, nice. Come now.
Come, Ramika. I'll do like a big boss.
Okay, guys, move. I'm going to do something.
Hey, this is boxing. Now, I'll do like this and I'll like this. I'll leave like this. Okay.
No, not up. Do like this one.
Okay, we've come for.
Okay.
Surya, next is you.
Tension. Where is the tension? Expression.
Okay, guys, Surya's next one. Yeah.
Winner!
Hey, what is this? I kicked the ball there. Yeah.
Don't come too close, man. Audience will be scared.
So after all the trekking, we are having a breakfast.
Close up, close up. Give me close up.
Yeah, done.
Again, this
Sure.
guy will start.
I told you already. He won't stop doing vlogs. I'm telling you.
I can never stop vlogging.
Hey, not vlogging. Today's vlog. I'm saying about. He
Oh,
won't
okay.
stop today. Like there is another surprise. Please be wait. Yeah. There is a surprise. Breakfast. Not breakfast. Or
This is completed.
is it good?
Not again.
Like we are feeling like a school. Like after school, we used to come to this shop and
Nearby shop
Yeah,
in the school
exactly,
and then get
exactly.
some snacks
and eating
with the money the parents give us like some 10-15.
No, 2-3 rupees, you know. not
Yeah, 2-3 rupees.
Exactly.
2-3 only.
I used to get for 1 rupee 4 pieces, you know.
Wow.
At that time. At that
I'm still kid, you know.
We'll get for 1 rupee only, not.
I used to get for 1 rupee 4 pieces. That too nice flavors, lassi flavor, buttermilk flavor.
Wow.
Mango flavor. That period.
This was yesterday.
You're 90s, 80s, 90s only.
It's okay.